Hi everyone! Do you remember present simple tense? I dance. I dance. He dances. He dances. What is different? The subject. I, he. What is different? Ah, the S. Why? I, no S. He, S. He reads. He reads. She cooks. She cooks. It cleans dishes. It cleans dishes. What are the subjects? He, she, it. So, he, she, it plus S. I, you, we, they, no S. Okay? I, you, we, they, subject plus verb. He, she, it, subject plus verb plus S. Remember, he, she, it. David, play piano. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. David, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. He. David, he. What is the verb? Play. But subject is he. He, she, it plus S. Plays piano. Well done. We eat dinner. Is this right or wrong? Right. Subject, verb. Now, she ate dinner. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Why? Subject, she, he, it, plus S. Plus S. She eats dinner. Well done. The teacher walk. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Why? What is the subject? The teacher. The teacher. He, she, or it? She. So, he, she, it, plus S. The teacher walks. The teacher walks. But English is a little bit crazy. He, she, it, plus S. But if the word finishes with CH, SS, SH, X, ZZ, or O, plus ES. Watch, watch, finishes with CH, CH, plus ES, watches. Kiss, mwah, kiss, finishes in SS, SS, plus ES, kisses. Finish, finishes with SH, plus ES, finishes. Relax, finish in X, plus ES, relaxes. Buzz, finish in ZZ, plus ES, buzzes. Go, finish in O, plus ES, goes. Just remember, if the word finishes with a consonant and Y, then plus IES. Study. D is a consonant. and Y. Consonant Y. So, remove Y. Plus I, E, S. Studies. Cry. R is a consonant. And Y. Remove Y. Plus I, E, S. Cries. Try. R is a consonant. And Y. Remove Y. Plus I, E, S. Tries. Fly. Fly. L is a consonant. And Y. Remove Y. Plus I, E, S. Pay. A is a vowel. So, no IES. Pay to pays. Just add S because A is a vowel, not a consonant. Irregular verbs. Just remember, no rule. Have, has. Just remember. He studies English. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Why? Subject is he. So, he, she, it plus S. But study finishes with a consonant plus Y. So we remove Y plus IES. She plays video games. Is this right or wrong? Right. because he, she, it plus S. A is a vowel, so just plus S. Lucy watches TV. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Why? What is the subject? Lucy. Is Lucy she, he, or it? She. So, plus S. But watch finishes in CH. So, plus ES. Lucy watches TV. They eat breakfast. Is this right or wrong? Wrong. Why? What is the subject? They. Not he, she, it. He, she, it plus S. Here, the subject is they, so no S. They eat breakfast. You cook pasta. Is this right or wrong? Right. You, so no S. Wow. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. You did so good today. I'll see you next time. Bye. If you would like to study English with me, you can join my online English program. If you join the program, you will get the worksheet for this lesson, the worksheet for every lesson, access to all of my English courses, conversation classes every Monday, daily feedback and support, and you can contact me anytime. If you would like to find out more information or join the program, please use the link in the description. Thank you so much and happy studying.